Big changes in life come not from one massive leap, but from thousands of tiny steps taken consistently over time. It's the single step each day that compounds into a complete transformation. I know this might sound like a bit of a buzzkill after hyping up the idea of taking giant leaps and thinking big. But here's the thing. Thinking big without acting consistently is the fastest way to kill your dreams. Here are some harsh truths about consistency that only winners know. 1. The power of small actions. A single daily step might seem too small to make any real difference, but consistency is that single step every single day. This is how small actions compound into transformational changes. 2. The invisibility of early progress. Results don't show right away. And here's where most people quit. They see no immediate results and assume it's not working. Consistency requires patience and faith in the process. Know that even if you don't see results right away, your efforts are still compounding in the background, building the life you want. 3. Water and stone. A single drop of water doesn't break the rock, but thousands of consistent drops do. True strength is not intensity, it's persistence. 4. The bamboo tree. The Chinese bamboo grows unseen for years underground, then shoots up dramatically in just weeks. Most of the preparation happens invisibly, but it's what allows for the spectacular result. Your success is like the bamboo tree. There's a lot of invisible preparation happening before the visible success emerges. 5. The enemy of dreams. Inconsistency. Most people quit because they want results yesterday. They don't understand that consistency is the only way to get what they want. Inconsistency = broken dreams. The difference between achievers and quitters is simple. Achievers stay on course, even when they do not see immediate results. 6. The compound effect. If you get just 1% better each day at anything, you'll be 37 times better in 1 year. Improving just 1% a day makes you 37 times better at anything in just 365 days. Small progress repeated consistently becomes unstoppable power. 7. Look around you. All the great figures you admire became great, not because of luck, but because of daily habits. Michael Jordan did not become great because he took one shot in 1984. He took thousands upon thousands of shots every day. Serena Williams didn't become the greatest because she played tennis once. She repeated a training regimen day after day for years. Writers, athletes, entrepreneurs, artists, all the greats got there through daily habits. 8. Powerful metaphors of consistency. Think of consistency like a heartbeat, constant and vital. Think of it like the sunrise, sure, daily and inevitable. Think of a snowball rolling down a hill, starting small but becoming unstoppable. Here's the core message. You don't need to change your whole life today. You don't need to take one massive action. You only need one small step every day. That's it. One small step every day in the direction of your dreams. So what will you do today? What small step will you take towards the life you want to create? Because here's the deal. It's not about the size of the action, but the continuity of the action. It's not about being perfect, but about progress. It's not about being the best, but about getting better. Are you ready to start today? Are you ready to commit to one small step every day? Because here's the truth. Small steps lead to big changes. Consistency is the key to unlocking your potential and creating the life you truly desire. It's time to take action. It's time to start today. Begin with one small step and trust in the process. Believe in yourself. Trust in the journey. Stay consistent and watch as your small steps turn into giant leaps towards your dreams. Remember, the path to success is paved with consistency. Are you ready to take the first step? Are you ready to start today?